Hariom Valga Valamudan. Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see 1.7 De Morgan's laws. Okay. Augustus De Morgan 1806 to 1871 was a British mathematician. He was born on 27th June 1806 in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. His father was posted in India by the East India Company when he was 7 months old. His family moved back to England. De Morgan was educated at Trinity College, Cambridge, London. He formulated laws for set, difference and complementation. They are called De Morgan's laws. Okay. So, his full name is Augustus De Morgan. His period is given here. He is a British mathematician. He was born on 27th June 1806 in Tamil Nadu, Madurai, India, Tamil Nadu, Madurai. His father was posted in India by the East India Company. Okay. When he was 7 months old, his family moved back to England. De Morgan was educated at this college, Trinity College. It is in London, Cambridge. He formulated laws for set difference and set complementation. These laws are called De Morgan's laws. De Morgan's laws. Now we are going to see 1.7.1 De Morgan's laws for set difference. Okay. Difference means subtraction. These laws related the set operations, that is union, intersection and set difference, that means minus. Okay. Let us consider three sets A, B and C as A set in roster form, that is set of minus 5, minus 2, 1, 3, and B is equal to set of minus 3, minus 2, 0, 3, 5, and C is equal to set of minus 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 4, 5. Now find B union C. Okay, this is B set, this one is C set. Union is nothing but all the elements in B and C. Okay, B union C means all the elements in B union C. Then see first minus 3 and then minus 2. Then after that minus 1, 0, 0 in both sets. So write only one time. Then positive 3. Okay, plus 3. Then 4. After 3, 4. 4 is in the set B. And after 4, 5. 5 is in the set both B and C. So write only one time. Okay, this is B union C. Then find A minus of B union C. Consider this set as one set. Okay, set. So A minus S na. So subtract this set from this set of elements. Okay, so A minus B union C. So first consider these elements minus 5, minus 2, 1, 3. So subtract this elements from this set. Okay, so minus 5, write minus 5 and then minus 2 cancelled. Okay, then plus 1, right, plus 1, then 3 is in this set also, so cancel this set. This is A minus B union C. Okay, don't consider about the remaining elements in B union C because we are subtracting A minus B union C. ஏழிலிருந்து B union C மைனஸ் பண்ணுறோம். அதனால் இதில் இருக்கக்கூடிய A செட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய காமன் எலமெண்ட்ஸை மட்டும் டெலீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு, ஓகே, டெலீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு ரிமைனிங் என்ன எலமெண்டெல்லாம் ஏழு இருக்குதோ அதையெல்லாம் எழுதணும். அவ்வளோதான். Then mark it as equation number 1. Then find A minus B. This is a difference of A and B. Okay, this set is A and this one is B. So subtract B from A. That means A minus B. So subtract A, na, first A. So cancel the common elements in B. Okay, minus 5. Write minus 5. And minus 2 is common. So cancel it. And then 1. Write 1. And then 3 is also in B. So cancel it. The remaining elements write. So minus 5 comma 1. Similarly A minus C na, A minus C. So write minus 5. And then minus 2 cancelled. Write 1. Okay, take one element. And then 3. What about 3? Okay, write the 3 also. Because it is not in this set C. So, okay, only one common element, that is minus 2. So, cancel it. Remaining elements write for A minus C. Okay. Then, mark it as, okay. Now, find A minus B union A minus C. So, already we found A minus B and A minus C. So, union of these two sets. Find this union means write all the elements in this set and this set. Okay, so minus 5 comma 1 and minus 5 comma 1 comma 3. The repeated values write only one time. Minus 1 comma 1 and the remaining value is 3 here. So minus 1 in both sets write one time. 1 in both sets, so write one time. The remaining one element write 3. Okay. Then what is the A minus B intersection A minus C? Find it. So common elements in these two sets A minus B and A minus C is minus 5 and 1. Okay, minus 5 comma 1. Mark it as equation number 3. The before union value is 2. Okay, so now compare the equation 1 from 1 and 2. See the equation 1 minus 5 comma 1. Equation 2 minus 5 comma 1 comma 3. We see that this LHS is not equal to this LHS. Because here minus 1 comma 1, but here minus 5 comma 1 comma 3, minus 1 5 comma 1 only. Okay, 3 is extra, so this is not equal, therefore this one is not equal. That means union na union. Okay, this is not equal to union. Okay, then but note that from 1 and 3, suppose first equation and third equation RHS are same, minus 5 comma 1 minus 5 comma 1. So LHS is also same. That means A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. So union na intersection. Okay, that's all. This is one law, De Morgan's law for set operations. Set difference na here A minus. Okay, then that's all. Then now find B intersection C. So first we found B union C. Now find intersection C. So intersection B intersection C na common elements in B and C. What are all the common elements in B and C? What are all the common elements in B and C? That is minus 2, 3, no 3. So minus 2 in both sets, 0 is also in both sets. Then plus 3, no. 5, 5 is 5, okay. Minus 2, 0, 5. These elements are in both sets. Then find A minus B intersection C. So A set is here and B intersection set is here. So subtract this one from this set, okay. So first write A set values. So minus 5, minus 2, 1, 3. Subtract this one. So delete the common elements in this set. Remaining write the remaining elements, right? Okay. So first minus 5 not in this set. Minus 5 not in this set. So write minus 5 and minus 2. Okay, write minus 2. Minus 2 here. A intersection, sorry, B intersection C and A set. So cancel it. Don't write it. Then 1. Write 1. Write 1 and 3. 3 is also not in this set. So 3. Okay. So common element in both sets is minus 2 only. So delete it. Write the remaining elements in A. This is A minus B intersection C. Mark it as equation number 4. Then from 3 and 4 we get 3 and 4 we see that. Third equation, fourth equation. RHS is minus 5, 1. And here the RHS is minus 5, 1, 3. So both are not equal. So similarly this LHS are not equal. Okay. So minus A minus B intersection C is not equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. But we note that from 2 and 4, equation 2 and equation 4, RHS minus 5, 1, 3, minus 5, 1, 3, both are equal. Therefore, the LHS is also equal. That means A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Here intersection in RHS union. Okay. So intersection wrong, not equal. Intersection union correct. Here also union not equal. But union intersection correct. Okay. These two laws are De Morgan's laws for set difference. Okay. It is given in this table. De Morgan's laws for set difference, first law and second law. For this law we have chosen 3 sets, A, B and C. Okay. A, B and C are any 3 sets. So A minus B union C is equal to A minus B. A is a single set, this is union sets. So we are going to subtract this union sets from A. That's why A minus B, first A minus B. Okay, A minus B. Then A minus C. Then union change it to intersection. Here A, second law, A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union intersection union. Then A minus C. Okay. Then thinking corner. See, A minus B union A minus C union A intersection B. Okay. In Venn diagram you have to verify these sets. What will become in the RHS. Okay. That's all. Thank you.